You're sick of my madness. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. You're better off without me. Don't you tell me what I supposed to do. When I'm walking on the streets half naked, it's part of me, it's part of me. When I'm making my brain makeup, it's part of me, it's part of me. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, get out of my life. I know what I'm supposed to do. When you're crushing on my dreams and you're making me so full, I know what I'm supposed to do. I know what I'm supposed to do.
Introducing the Xbox Series S, the smallest, sleekest Xbox console ever. Experience the speed and performance of a next-general all-digital console at an accessible price point. Get started with an instant library of 100+ high-quality games, including all new Xbox Game Studios titles like Halo Infinite the day they release, when you add Xbox Game Pass Ultimate membership sold separately. Seamlessly move between multiple games in a flash with quick resume. At the heart of Series S is the Xbox Velocity architecture, which pairs a custom SSD with integrated software for faster, streamlined gameplay with significantly reduced load times. Important information: use with digital games only. Console does not play physical discs. 4K at 120 FPS. Requires supported content and display. Xbox Game Pass membership sold separately. Game catalog varies over time and by region. 120 FPS. Requires supported content and display. Use on Xbox Series S as content becomes available. Additional controller sold separately. So, is the Xbox Series S worth buying? Yes, we definitely think so. Despite coming in at a super low price point in comparison, the Series S can play all the same games as the more expensive Xbox Series X. As well as saving money, you'll also save on shelf space as the Series S is tiny. The Xbox Series S is completely disc-less, so you need to buy all your games digitally. We highly recommend using the Ethernet port for internet access for a faster and more stable connection. We hope you found this video informative. Please like and subscribe for more content.